kids, I'm Reb from Pancake Manor, and I'd like to introduce you to my new pet, Reggie.
My name isn't Reggie.
Oh, sorry. What is it?
It's Oink Face.
Okay, let me try that again. Hi kids, I'm Reb from Pancake Manor, and I'd like to introduce you to my new pet, Oink Face. As you can see, Oink Face, is an animal. What kind of animal is he, kids? Is he a bird?
No.
Is he a cat?
No.
What is he?
A pig.
Yes! You're right, kids. Oh, I sure love my little piggy.
That's my happy Oink.
Oh, I love your happy oink. Let me give it a try. Do you have a sad oink?
Oh yes, I use my sad Oink when my food is all gone and I wish there was more. This is my sad Oink.
Aw, poor Oink Face. I'm sorry you're sad.
I'm just kidding. I'm actually the happiest pig in the world.
Where do you think pigs live, kids? Do they live in the city? Probably not. Most pigs live in the country, on a farm. And today's episode is all about farm animals. Check it out. I have 3 yummy cookies here, and they're all farm animals. Can you name them with me?
Cow. Pig. Horse.
Great job, kids. Which cookie would you like to eat? I think I'll eat this little piggy. That's some tasty pork. Okay, friends, I think it's time for you to meet one of my favorite farmers. His name is Old Macdonald, and I have a sneaking suspicion you've heard of him before. Are you ready? Hit it, Zach!
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here and oink there and oink everywhere and oink oink. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Everywhere a moo moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a lamb, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. When I say pig, then you say oink. Pig, oink. Pig, oink. When I say cow, then you say moo. Cow, moo. Cow, moo. When I say dog, then you say woof. Dog, woof. Dog, woof. When I say lamb, then you say ba. Lamb, ba. Lamb, ba. Now put them all together super, super fast. Oink, moo, woof, ba. Oink, moo, woof, ba. Oink, moo, woof, ba. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. everywhere.
Rawr!
Old Macdonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-O. You can't have a lion on a farm.
Why not?
Well, he'll eat up all the animals.
Don't worry, this one only eats chickens.
Oh.
A lion is definitely not a farm animal. Hey, do you want to play a game with me? I'll show you a picture of an animal, and you say yes if it's a farm animal. And if it's not a farm animal, you say no. Are you ready? Let's play. A duck.
Yes.
A horse.
Yes.
A hippopotamus.
No.
A monkey.
No.
A goose.
Yes.
A sheep.
Yes.
A T-Rex.
No.
Mama,
Yes, Reggie?
I'm not a pig anymore. I'm just a Reggie.
Okay, good, because I love having a Reggie just as much.
Mama, I'm confused. In the song it says, Old Macdonald had a lamb. And in the game you said a sheep. Are they the same?
That's a great question, Reggie. Sometimes there are different names for baby animals. A lamb is a baby sheep. A piglet is a baby pig. A calf is a baby cow. And a chick is a baby chicken.
Oh, I just love baby animals. They're so cute. Can I please have a baby cow? A calf? For my birthday? It can sleep in my bed.
But Reggie, what's gonna happen when the calf grows into a big, huge cow?
It can sleep in the kitchen. Oh, Reggie.
I have a better idea. How about some tiny animals that will never grow? I have a little toy barn here. A barn is a building that you often find on a farm. Have you ever been inside a barn, kids?
I have.
That's right, Zach. We went to a barn just last week.
I like seeing the animals, but, the barn was kind of smelly inside. Yeah, it was stinker-rooney.
I understand what you mean, boys. Animals have their own unique smells, don't they? But it's completely natural. And you know what's funny? They probably thought you were smelly too.
What? But I smell like bubblegum bubble bath. And I smell like kiwi! I saw a cow poop on the ground at the farm.
That's also totally normal.
But why didn't she use the potty?
Cows don't have potties.
Yeah, Reggie. Cows would break the potty because they're so heavy. And their bums are this big. Giant cow bums? That's hilarious.
So, should we see what's inside my little toy barn? Yeah, let's take a look. Ooh, there's a cow. Moo. Piggy. Sounds like a happy oink, doesn't it? A rooster. A rooster is a male chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo! And there's one more thing inside. What do you think it is, kids? I'll give you a hint. It says quack. A duck! Quack, 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 quack! These animals are so soft and so cute. Have you ever touched a real farm animal? It's always important to make sure a grown-up says it's okay before you touch an animal. And if the grown-up does say it's okay, then touch it really gently and softly, like this. A wonderful place to meet animals is a children's farm or a petting zoo. Let's look at one now.
There's There's a place I like to go where friendly creatures say hello. It's a place for you and me, a big happy animal family. Whoa, let's all go to the farm. Goats are running on the farm. Oh, what fun! See all the animals eating their hay. Look at them play, it's a perfect day. Let's go to the farm. If you come and pet a goat, it might try to bite your coat. Little horses have long manes, big round eyes and funny names, like peanut butter. Whoa, let's all go to the farm. Goats are running on the farm. Oh, what fun! See all the animals eating their hay. Look at them play, it's a perfect day. Let's go to the farm.
What animal am I pretending to be? Maybe it would help if I made the right sound. What am I? A chicken! Hey, why don't you do the chicken buck with me?
Do the buck, buck, chicken buck. Do the buck, buck, chicken buck. Flap your wings, peck your beak. Do the buck, buck, chicken buck.
If you'd like to hear more of that song, look for it on Spotify or wherever you stream music.
Have you ever heard a cow speak? Stop and say hello. If you do, I'm telling you there's something you should know. A cow says moo, 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 moo. A cow says moo, 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 moo. Have you ever heard a dog speak? Wished her a good day. If you do, I'm telling you, this is what she'll say. A dog says woof, 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 woof. A dog says woof, 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 woof. See the animals, hear their voices. See the animals, learn their noises. Who says moo? It's a cow. Who says woof? It's a dog. Have you ever heard a cat speak? Whisper in your ear. If you do, I'm telling you, this is what you'll hear. A cat says meow, 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 meow. A cat says meow, 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 meow. Have you ever heard a lamb speak as you're walking by? If you do, I'm telling you, just wait for this reply. A lamb says ba 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 ba. A lamb says ba 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 ba. See the animals, hear their voices. See the animals, learn their noises. Who says moo? It's a cow. Who says woof? It's a dog. Who says meow? It's a cat. Who says Bob? It's a lamb.
What's your your favorite animal sound? We asked kids all over the world to send in clips of them making their favorite animal sounds. Do you want to see?
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Meow. Meow. Quack. Look at our bees!
Let's review what we learned in this video.
I was pretending to be a pig at the beginning of the video, and most pigs live in the country, not the city. Chickens, sheep, and cows live on farms, but not lions.
A lamb is what we call a baby sheep, and there are special names for other baby animals too, like piglet, chick, and calf.
A barn is a big building you can find on a farm. It's fun to pet animals, but always ask a grown-up if it's okay.
Thank you so much for learning about farm animals with us today, kids. We'd also like to thank the Beacon Hill Children's Farm here in Victoria, Canada. That's where we filmed our video for On the Farm. They really do let the goats run every day. And if you'd like a chance to appear in a future Pancake Manor video, follow us on Instagram. See you soon! Mwah!